Welcome student. Now we study the seed rate and other sub points of seed topic. Initially we study the seed rate. Seed rate we study or we know the difference between seeds and grain. That the when it is used as a grain purpose, that it is used as a consumption. It is in a large amount or large quantity. But when these grains are known as a seed, that time it required in a very small quantity, and seeds are used for multiplication of plant or propagation of the plant, that is known as a seed. So we study the what is the definition of seed. The seed rate is defined as a quantity of seeds to be sown per hectare or per unit area is known as a seed rate. The seed rate is depend upon the different points or different factors which is play an important role during the crop growth and up to the harvesting. So quantity of seed rate is depend upon it is small or big, that is it is large or big quantity. That time the number one factor is the growth habit of plant, that the when some plants are develop the branches some plants are grow erect and only one branch or only one stem it required. So then the spacing or distance, some plants are grow or required large space between plant to plant and row to row for its development. So spacing or distance is the important factors affect on seed rate. Number third one is the test weight of seed. It also affect on the plant population or seed rate, that the number 1000 seeds, weight of 1000 seed is known as a test weight of seed sample. And number 4 is the germination of seed. That the germination percentage, how many germination seeds are germinate while it is planted, that also affect on the seed rate of that crop. Then the size of seed, small or big size, small size seed required in a small quantity, but the large size seed when it is big, that time it required in a more quantity. So these factors are affect on the variations of seed rate in different crops. When the higher seed rate will be influenced in higher plants, that is higher plant population per unit area or per hectare area, and it results heavy competition within the crop plants for water and nutrient, and also different gases, air. So lower seed rate will be results lower plant population, thereby lower the yield of crop, and mostly seed rate is less smaller less or smaller under dry condition. When it is grown as a rainfed, that time seed rate is required a small quantity, but when it is grown as a irrigated condition, that time seed rate is required in a large quantity. So these points are also studied or keep in your mind. Then the seed quantity of seed rate is also depend upon we study the growth habit of plant. That the that seeds or that plant is remain how long into the field. So the crops are also classified seasonal, annual, biennial, perennial. So plants which are remain more than 2 to 3 years, that the seed rate is required very small quantity, and spacing or distance between row to row and plant to plant is large. So these points are also affect on the seed rate. So the next one, and always seed rate is always expressed kilogram per hectare. The unit of it is always recommended for 1 hectare area. We keep in your mind that the seed rate is always expressed for 1 hectare area. So next one is the sowing depth of seed. Sowing depth is also important while the crops are sown or seeds are sown. That time the sowing depth impact or make an effect on the germination percentage and development of crop. So we study the sowing or seeding depth. The seeding depth or sowing depth is important factor for the establishment of good crop stand into the field. It influence on the germination and emergence of seed, so that the sowing should be done at recommended depth of seed should be dropped it at moist zone into the soil. Shallow or more deep sowing results lower plant population because the seeds are mostly not germinate. Then the sowing depth, the seed sowing or sowing purpose is that the seeds are dropped up to the moist zone into the soil. This is the main aspect of sowing of seeds. Then the generally sowing depth is technically depend upon the approximately 3 to 4 times their diameter of seed. So optimum depth for most of the field crop like bajra is the 3 to 5 centimeter deep, and small seeds, that is the bajra, are placed at 2 to 3 centimeter deep into the soil. Very small seeds like tobacco is placed at a depth of 1 centimeter deep into the soil. During the Kharif season, sowing depth is taken shallow, but in Rabi season, the sowing depth is taken deep, more deep, because it is important that the seeds are dropped or placed at moist zone so that the it proper germinate and produce the new seedling when internal and external factors are favorable for germination. So student, in this topic we study the sub points, that is the seed rate and sowing depth of the seed. We also study or listen carefully this video. So thank you student. We meet in your next video, next topic. So welcome always.